Hi, this is Dr. Evil. I'm here today to review the Beast Wrecker Converting Zord. This right here is the Beast Wrecker Zord in its battle mode. Let's look at another mode. Now, here is the Beast Wrecker Zord in its Mantis mode. This right here is the head of the Mantis. And now I'm going to show you the Beast Wrecker Zord in its Wrecker mode. And finally, we have the Beast Wrecker Zord in its Wrecker mode. I highly recommend this, and I give it a 10 out of 10. See you on the 31st for New Year's Eve. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ooh.